Answers below, guys. Let's hear your comments on what you would do in this situation. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board, guys. Let's rock. Now guys, ask yourself a question. Can you see the problem? What does he do? Answers below. Does he untie the rope there that's blocking his exit and then replace it back when he's pointing that way? Or does he just unhook it, let it drop in the water, and then put it back on when he returns? Answers below, guys. Let's hear your comments on what you would do in this situation. Here's some clips, guys, that have made this channel the #1 go-to channel for boating beginners. And what you do in that particular case is you lift the bow just enough so that the bow is just over the wave. That's how I dealt with that. On the following sea, guys, something that everybody will experience, especially new boaters. They won't understand that you've got your engine running and we use these things. Getting rid of all that salt, because you can slip and push it forward. Here you can't slip, you've got your hand resting on here. See guys, if you don't look after your boat, it's going to be a little bit of magic as well. Let me show you. Get yourself a nice buffer. There's the bit that's not done, and there's the bit that's done, and you will get a fantastic finish. All right, look at the gleam on that. Ring ring goes the bell, guys. Yep, you heard that loud and clear, and so do swimmers. This is a hand portable by Cobra, okay, Cobra Marine. At 30 feet, you can see what's on the seabed, okay, that's sand, flat, awesome. As I say, don't worry about it, it is quite daunting to begin with, but
I'm so tired of crying.